ओम नमः शिवाय वेरी वेरी वेलकम टू द elite Ramanana Singh. Let's see आज आपको क्या सुनने की ज़रूरत है. So actually I recorded this video previously and then my camera just automatically is turned off and I'm like, what happened? Is it already recorded? And then I checked like no, there's no storage. So I'm like, okay, something happened. So my dear, whenever I connect with some kind of energy or something, I clearly get that kind of things in my timeline also. So first thing, I can clearly say that right now you're just going through some kind of obstacles. Maybe you're thinking nothing is gonna be happen or something is okay, but suddenly things just start going good or something. So yes, this is your reading, and if you're thinking about love or a finance, yes, you are on a right path, right place. Because previously I just got two cards. One is for finance and one is for clear cut about love. So okay, so my dear, first thing is this, that in this few weeks my subscriber just grows. Like before, reading is just all about love, no, all about in beginning about finance a lot, and then it start growing towards love, and now it start combining. So welcome, I'm glad that you both guys are there. So I got the point, like why the reading is just, like when I do personal reading, just even on my reading also, I never got two cards, finance and love together. Like it's just very rarest condition. But when it comes to combined reading, it always it's like every cards are there, and it's just like very mixed type of mixer that they have to separate all of them. So my dear, those people who are about finance, very very congratulations, because you're just leaving your burden and everything behind. Maybe it could be possible that you're leaving your job, okay, or something that you're leaving or thinking to leave is a good decision. Maybe your burdens are getting less or something. Yes, and whatever that you studied, worked hard and prepared for, yes, that thing will happen, because wheel of fortune means kismet ka paya, kismet. Yeah, wheel of fortune will be in your favor, okay. Just like a very good sign, because fortune is gonna be in your favor, means luck will be in your favor. So keep going. Universe is saying that keep going, things will work for you, okay. Yes, things will work for you and you will get your justice. And when it comes to love, because the middle card is gonna apply on the both situation. Yes, same message. The person that you like or love, I can say you like them a lot, okay, means you love them a lot. Look at this passion. Literally I have to say something, anything. I don't think so at all. No, nothing at all, because this card express everything: the passion, the interest, the love, the liking, whatever stage that you are in. See, somehow, somewhere, this, okay, or you want this, or you imagine that person a lot in your dreams or something like that. Yeah, I got you. I don't know about others, but I know your secrets, what you're thinking. Okay, let's come to the point. If you're interested in that person, I can clearly say that this person may come to you to propose or tell you that feeling, or approach you first about it. Because I can clearly say that they also like you, because my dear, to both of the reading I'm saying finance and love, is this, that your soul longs for that, okay, that your soul longs for that. You can feel it from inside, okay, that specific person, no one else, just this one, just this job. Yes, that is there for you. About those who you think a lot, you got the point, right? To whom that you think a lot, imagine a lot. So yes, this person will definitely come towards you to express your feeling. I can say like this person is very, I don't think so very expressive. Like I can say like very romantic. Not saying too much with words, but a lot with actions. So don't you think it's just so good? I heard somewhere in reel that uh, guys should express their love with action, and the female, no, the guy should express their love with words, and female should go with actions. Because with time, the guys start getting introvert and a girl start getting extrovert. So they are not able to understand their love languages, especially that's where the clashes start coming. So I think in your case, your things starting with little twist, which is the guy is little bit shy about their feeling, it's anyone. It's just not about the guy. It's just about anyone. And yeah, he or she is also like us. If it's a she, again, it's like a confirmation that they're gonna come towards you and express their feeling. It depends. Maybe they go for indirect way or direct way. I don't think so. It's just too direct, but I can say like they are stepping forward. At least they are going to take actions for it. You have to be aware about it. Please be aware, and if they take some kind of actions, give them the positive response. Like they get confidence. Ki, yeah, okay, they like me, so maybe they will take more actions. If you're a guy, my dear, you don't need that kind of message. Just go and tell them because you're a boy. Like, come on. Of course, I personally believe like boys should take the first actions and they should approach a girl and just tell them that yes, I like you. Have that confidence. But if you're a girl, stop. No, 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 no. Just give them signals. But means personally, I don't like to do that kind of things. Just, but I can tell you that according to my personal experience with my friends, I know it. They always share me the same experience that when they approaches a guy and guy approach them, there's a huge difference in that relationships because those who approach the first and take actions, they usually take more actions in relationships also, so it's like a plus point. So let them, just 2 3 4 extra days of waiting, worth it. Okay, yeah, but I can say they will definitely come. I can clearly see that. Okay, for some of them I think you're moving somewhere. Okay, you're leaving the place, leaving the burden, leaving something. Yeah, moving towards one specific goal, being an emperor, being a leader. Yeah? It's a really good message. Moving towards the goal is such a great message. That's really amazing. Yeah. So it's just amazing that you're moving towards your goals, specific things, and you're very specific about that guy. Also, life is set, man. Those who just click this reading is like your life is set. What the people usually want in this 3D world when they're operating in the lower chakras, nothing much. Just a love, money, power, safety, and that's it, right? Some respect and love also. Yeah. So it's a great mess. Thank you so much. Namaste. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.